What were some of the things you learned going through that situation you went through with the girl who was pregnant, you know, and then she was kicking it with your ops, going on your ops podcast, really trying to throw your name through the mud, man. Some of the people may not know what happened. Maybe you can just break down what happened with that.
Yeah, so your boy was outside doing his thing.
Yeah, you was outside.
Networking and shit. Yeah. You know? And I was at a client's table and basically he had a bunch of girls there. Yeah. Some were Asian, some were Hispanic, some were white. I brought some girls too. Yeah. Brought 2 girls. I was like, okay, find a piece of Asian meat over there.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm gonna get the Instagram real quick. So I slide on my phone.
Yeah.
Get the Instagram.
Got the gram. Y'all don't do phone numbers no more. In my day, you had to carry around a pen.
Think you old.
Yeah. All right. No, I'm learning a lot.
So I'm just collecting another data point, you know? And we meet up, things go down. Just more like, all right, this is fun, man. You know, like it's lit.
Yeah.
Like I'm doing my thing with other people. It's just like a part of the course. Like in Miami today, she's with you, Joe Smo. It just is what it is, bro, right?
What it is.
I think nothing of it. And then of course, you know, my slick commentary. I just like get deeper in there.
I remember I seen you in the gym. Yeah. And you was like, yo, man, I'm dating this new chick, man. You showed me a picture of her. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You telling me about her.
I was like, fuck, man. I never did Asian before. I did one in the past, but it wasn't like that kind of real Asian. It was like kind of like American Asian, right?
Yeah. She was like straight out the sweatshop. Like she used to make Jordans when she was a kid or something, right?
It was fun, man. But you know what it was? I think I took it too far.
In what way?
I kind of went too close to the sun because I was like teetering on like kind of like playing the game too hard.
In what way? Like wifing her? Or?
No, I was actually kind of like playing along way too much. Yeah. Because typically I'll like cut it off like earlier. You know what's best phase? Honeymoon phase. Have a little fun. Okay, this is cool, and then move on.
Yeah, I used to tell the homies, man, 3 and out.
Yeah.
You can't let her get another first down. Like if she moves closer to the end zone.
Burna Boy.
You gotta get 3 and out.
Burna Boy. Yeah. Legendary artist, right? But he's with a chick for like 3-5 months and then next one. Yeah. So it's just like I let it back into the streets, but it didn't like when I did it. They didn't want to let go. It was like, I must stay with the chocolate man. Yeah. I was like, all right, bro, this kind of crazy because like I ain't never had a chick go this far to like stay with the boss, the BBC. Yeah. I was like, God damn. It was almost like if like, take me or I'm gonna expose you for something. I'm like, oh, go ahead.
She was threatening you.
I'm like, blackmail me? Think I'm black?
Yeah. Like, hell, I've been a black male.
I've been a black male. I've been a black my whole life. They taught me that like sometimes you gotta like just one and done. You know, hitting it multiple times, it's cool, but like sometimes you just got one and done.
Well, when she said she was supposed to, what did she do, man? Because some people don't know. They don't understand.
So basically what happened was I realized what was going on. We're all fools, right? But I cool to a different level. I'll chill with them, learn information. You could understand a lot about girls just by being around them, right? And then I was like, yo, you know what? This is a little bit too much for me. I don't want to play this game anymore because I feel like right now where I'm seeing with the 3 phones and then like random niggas is like,
she had 3 phones?
Yeah, 3 phones. I'm like, why you got 3 phones? You're in my crib? Nah, bro. This getting a little bit dicey. So I told her to leave. And then a week later I get a phone call. I'm pregnant. I'm like, bro. Like, yo, keep that shit to yourself, nigga. and then
you like, yo, congratulations.
Yeah, I found out niggas that hit it from back in the day, and I'm like, oh shit, like, and then niggas hit it currently. I was like, oh shit, so we all hitting the same thing.
Oh, she smashed the homies.
She smashed everybody. And then I was like, all right, let me just send back to the streets because I think I'm done now. Because typically, right, for example, this always reminds me. 1 minute she's with Tory, Future, but like them niggas are just known for that shit, right? Yeah. And then 1 minute she's with a promoter and she's with you. Was like, all right, cool, we all had our fun. Back to the streets. But she didn't want to let go, bro.
And she was saying she was pregnant. She didn't know.
Nigga, I don't know. She lied about so much shit. I don't know if it's true or not. Yeah. But what I do know is that like it could have been anybody's baby.
That's why we came out with thought repellent.
I would have had it earlier, man. It would have been great.
I was thinking, you know what, man? I'm gonna have a little Asian nephew, man.
Nah, nigga.
I thought he was gonna teach me karate. I was excited.
It would have died. But if I sprayed it, it would have died instantly, bro.
It's almost like she was clout chasing off that shit, no?
Yeah. And you know what's funny? She's trying to get clout from it, and like nobody cares. It was all because I was in the story.
Yeah, she was going on like other podcasts. She was on other platforms. You know what I'm saying? She was
straight fucking them niggas.
Oh, yeah.
That shit was funny as hell. Like,
I'm a fan of you and Myron. But so if you like Fresh and Fit, a lot of Fresh and Fit content that's not made by Fresh and Fit comes on your timeline. And I was like, oh shit, what we're heading into now?
I got people, everyone saw those videos, bro. It was like almost like if like for the first time I was in a news cycle where like I didn't know people knew me like that. I mean, you know Safari, right? Nicki Minaj's ex?
Yeah.
So I'm telling Moxie's, I'm like, he's like, bro, I know your shit. I'm like, how you know my shit? Oh, the Asian girl. I'm like, oh shit. It's just funny as fuck. Because people knew me from that. And I was like, wow, that's insane. It worked out. She got caught up in a lie. And then she got exposed. And then learn a lesson here, guys. No one's perfect. You're going to make mistakes along the way. And like, You know, obviously, I thought with the hoes a little bit too much.
Yes. What were some of the lessons you learned from that situation? So you go to our black queens, man.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Well, I did learn that, like, right now where I'm at, I can't indulge in too much craziness.
Yeah.
And I got to understand on a deeper level the hoes, man. And when you understand the hoes, bro,
Yeah.
you can understand the game. You can maneuver. Now, obviously, you might get caught up here and there, but like, if you understand what's happening, the marketplace and where you're at, you can kind of say where you want to end up, where you want to fall.
Yeah.
So now I know where I want to fall. I want to enjoy life still with a nice, chill girl that understands life is more than about cloud.
Yeah, yeah. And you know what? I've had crazy situations like that when I was your age, but like people didn't know me. I was just a regular guy.
That's the thing.
You know what I'm saying? So now,
Yeah.
when you make these mistakes in the public eye, it's news, right? But there's a lot of guys go through shit. I went through similar situations like that, but nobody knew. I'm like 11 years older than you or some shit, right? One thing I would say, man, is, you know how they say you become like the people you're around, right? You know, we hear that all the time, but whatever reason, niggas don't take that into account with the hoes. Like, these are people too.
They need love too.
Yeah, no, but you gotta understand, like, you gotta be real discriminate about the kind of chicks you bring into your life, man, because if they have a chaotic life,
Yeah.
then that's gonna infiltrate your life. And not even just that, right? If they just have bad energy, you know, like somebody who's negative all the time or have bad energy, like if you bring that person in your life, then you inherit that shit. One thing I would tell all the young guys, and this is a good lesson, is, man, just really vet the women you let in your life. Not just based off looks, but also just, is their life peaceful? Now, difficult in Miami. When I moved down here, I moved with a girlfriend. I imported her. I literally brought sand to the beach. I was like, I gotta get a normal one and bring her down here.
Keeps you stable. And I get what you're saying. And 100% lesson learned.
Yeah, yeah. So now you moving, you dealing with chicks who got a better head on their shoulders, I'd imagine.
I still like hoes, man. But you know what it is? I spend less time indulging the hoes. If that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? I focus on business now. I focus on meeting these people, make connections, and that's the main focus. You know, I did a little
Nigga.
joyriding a little bit.
Listen, guys, listen, y'all listen to me. All right. Listen, really vet the women you bring in your life, guys. If they, no, seriously, because if they have any kind of chaotic shit in your life, you inherit all of that. If she's got a fucking crazy relationship with her family, you're gonna inherit that. Like, you become like the people you're around. Like, no bullshit. Like, if she got a drug habit, the problem is, like, you know, testosterone is a really powerful thing, you know.
We black, bro. You know what it is?
Yeah, no, you ain't gotta tell me, man. I've been black since the beginning. You know, it's day one. Since I've been black since 1982, man. And they be fucking with niggas, you know.
No, bro.
But it's like, you got to be more discriminate, you know, with who you bring in your life, man. That's the real shit.
100%.
I think you learned that lesson. I learned that lesson like in a similar fashions at your age, but it wasn't publicly.
You know what it is, bro? I'm gonna just break it down real quick. Hoes are more fun. It's fun, exciting. It's like, all right, I should be doing this, but it's fun. The regular chick that's like the wifey type, it's stable, it's concrete.
Yeah.
A foundation you could build upon, right? And sometimes I got tired of building. I just want to like fuck around, have some fun. You know what I mean? But at the same time, long term, you're right. You should vet carefully because you never know the extent. And I've had guys that, like, for example, got robbed, or for example, got like scam, whatever.
I know niggas who've been set up and killed.
Get framed for like great.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
You know, they're in jail.
Yeah.
It's dangerous, but at the same time, I understand why niggas do it, because it is fun.
Well, listen, that's why we're coming out with Thought Repellent. It's an easy apply spray to keep the hoes away. You should have pre-orders available by Valentine's Day.
One more thing, just to your point as well about getting or vetting, it's the whole facts, right?
Yeah.
So I wasn't able to scope because she's not from here, right? So like, I can't find out like a background and like a full. Because for example, in Miami, like, niggas know chicks because like, all right, she been on this scene, she been on that scene. It's kind of like, no one knows who she is. So I gotta. But you know what's funny about the internet? They'll tell you this part of the internet, right? Someone that isn't known, if they come on camera, people know their past. They know, like, for example, where they were at before. Exes will come out. It's like, oh shit, now they can expose the whole facts. Because think about this, right? On the show, guys will bring their girl to get exposed in a way. Because now they can see who she really is. For example, oh, I know her. We used to do this and that. Or like, oh yeah, bro, she be outside. And then it's like, wait, bro, you know, guys DM me like, yo, you know this chick? She's in Miami. She been on yacht. She been thought around. I'm like, yes,
shit.
no, because I know. I'm outside.
Oh, you know.
And it's just like, yeah, I see her, sorry, the one too many times. Or it's like, my brother's like, you know what I'm saying, we got group chat. Oh yeah, bro, we really smash. Oh, fuck. So it'll be good. But if you don't know the whole facts, it's kind of hard.
You gotta check the whole facts.
So you gotta know the whole facts, or try to get it as soon as possible.
But it's like, you can just be around them and you know what's up. Like, you've been around enough chicks, then like, you ain't never been surprised, have you, when you got the whole facts? Like, you ain't never been surprised. You would have been surprised if it came back clean with the chicks you fucked.
But you know, like, when you when you know and you pretend you don't know. He's like,
yours is bliss. Yeah. Obviously, yeah, check the whole facts and shit. But like, yo, really check the energy, right? Like, if she got chaotic energy, or if her life's a fucking mess, or she's got fucking drama all the time, you inherit all of that.
100%.
You know what I'm saying? Even if she's a virgin, you inherit all that fucking drama. You know what I'm saying?
energy, bro.
Yeah, energy, man, it's transmutable, man.